Candy AI review. So you've been hearing about Candy AI, that new AI companion app everyone's talking about. Whether you're curious, lonely, or just want someone or something to chat with, you might be wondering, is it actually worth your time? Well, in this video, you'll find out. Candy AI is basically a digital companion platform powered by the advanced AI models. You create your own character, choose the look, personality, and even relationships style. It could be a friendly mentor, a romantic partner, or just a chill buddy to vent out. Once you start chatting, Candy AI responds in real time, remembering details about you to make conversations feel more personal. What sets Candy AI apart is how customizable it is. You can design your AI appearance, voice, and personality traits. You can even switch between text and voice mode, which makes it feel surprisingly lifelike. There's also a memory feature that helps your AI remember things about you, so over time, it feels like talking to someone who actually knows you. On the plus side, Candy AI's interface is smooth, responses are fast, and it genuinely feels more human than most other AI chatbots. It's great if you want company or just a fun, judgment-free space to chat, but there are few downsides. Some features are paywalled, the free version has a limited chats, and depending on what you're looking for, the conversations can sometimes feel a bit scripted. Also, always keep in mind it's an AI, it's not a real person. So, should you try Candy AI? If you're into personalized AI interactions or just curious about where human AI relationships are headed, it's definitely worth exploring. But go in knowing what it is, a digital companion, not a replacement for real connections. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI tech reviews, and drop a comment. Would you ever talk to an AI companion? Thanks for watching!